when I tell you this Christmas is Christmas and you have to believe me, okay? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm showing you how I made this yummy spinach recipe or contemporary stew. Let's get right into it. So in the beginning I added this chicken that I've already chopped into these shapes, and I'm going to add in some chicken spices just for taste. I also went in with some all-purpose seasoning. You can use any seasoning of your choice. I also added some salt to taste. This chicken doesn't take long in cooking. I added chopped garlic, ginger, and some chili pepper just for some extra heat. Okay, this chicken doesn't take long in cooking, so that is why I did it this way. If yours is hard chicken, you can add in water to make sure this cooks well. Great. So I'm flipping this over. Sorry, I couldn't find my tenner. I know. So I flip this over for the other side to also cook. So that's exactly what I'm doing. Make sure that both sides cook for about 4 minutes on each side, just so that everything is well cooked. Okay, and cook under low heat so that it does not burn. So after 4 minutes on both sides, we came to check and it was ready. So I went ahead and take everything off the fire. Next I added some oil to my pot and I allowed this to warm up slightly, and to that I added chopped onion and then some red bell pepper just for flavor. Okay, this is Christmas, we do everything extra. Hello. So I stirred everything and allowed this to fry for like 2 to 3 minutes. So after 2 to 3 minutes, we came to check on our onion and it has fried, and I chopped this tomato as well, and I'm going to stir everything and cook this until like it's well cooked. Let's say I cooked this for about 5 to 6 minutes. Yep. So next I added all-purpose seasoning just for taste, and I added some chili as well. So I stirred everything to combine. Make sure your tomato cook super well. That is what is going to make your food taste nice. So next I'm going to cover this and allow it to cook, and the next thing is to add in some eggs. So I cracked 4 eggs and I whisk everything just like I'm doing in the video. You can use more or less eggs if you prefer. So yep, our eggs is ready. I set it aside and we went to check on our stew. It was boiling. Like, I was in a hurry, so I cook under high heat, but please don't follow me, okay? Anyways, we checked on our stew, stirred everything together. Looks nice, but it's not ready. So I'm going to allow this to cook until we see oil on top, or yeah, that is what will make you know that it's ready. So I covered this and allow it to cook for some more minutes, and look at the difference. You can go back and then you check. So all these oil we are seeing on top is a sign to show that our stew is ready for the next ingredient. So I stirred this just to make sure that everything is well incorporated, and I added in some chili pepper because we want more heat. If you don't want chili, if you don't want heat, you don't have to do this. And next I added some salt as well. So next all our chicken goes in. Like, this stew was super delicious in as much as it requires very simple ingredients. Try and do this, okay? And we allowed this to fry for some few minutes, and I washed the plate that the chicken was in, and I added like a little bit of water just to put everything together. And guys, at this point, if you are still watching, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Thank you. Next, our eggs goes in. So guys, at this point I just wanted to feast, but it's not ready. So we are going to cover this and allow it to cook for like 3, 4, 5 minutes, and voila, it has really cooked beautifully. So I came to check, and this stew is ready. Like, you can have this with rice, yam, potato, just mention, but that is not what we are doing today. So we just stirred everything because we wanted to take this a little extra, not everyday tomato stew. I tasted and it was okay, but I needed a little seasoning, so I added half cube. And this is the spinach that we will be using. I added everything. I already chopped it off camera because we don't waste anybody time here. And do not worry that, oh, Dorcas, the cooking ware is too small. Like, this cooks really well. It will just reduce in some few minutes after like you apply heat. So I just added some all-purpose seasoning and I just rinsed my hands and added it and covered this, and you allow this to cook for some just 5 minutes. It should be ready. So we came to check after 5 minutes, and I told you everything has reduced. Yep. So we are going to stir everything. Oh my god, guys, this still tasted super delicious. It was easy. I hope you tried this and let me know when you do. Okay, let me know if you enjoyed this recipe. And I gave it a taste. It was very delicious. So guys, final touch, I added like chopped onion and also chopped red bell pepper just to bring everything together. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.